So IoT project is smart doorbell. We are three guys in it, as you can see: Aditya Reddy, Amay Yadav, and Aditya Gupta. We are doing this project under the guidance of Dr. M. Rajshekhar Babu, our IoT subject teacher. So moving on. The importance and need of the area. As you can see, the primary issues, it is not specific to IoT. It is not about any specific type or data or protocol. It is not specific to any particular industry. It is about processing big data. So yes, IoT data can be big data, and same studies and technologies apply to it as they apply to every other IoT application, and it might be the biggest data in the upcoming decade. As you can see, we have mentioned that. Now the problem statement and the objectives. So the problem statement that we picked for our project is that to develop an apparatus and method that people use for better way to respond to doorbells using Internet of Things and sensors. So what we are doing in this project is that we are trying to make a smart doorbell. We are trying to make a smart doorbell by which the person who is on the door can press the doorbell, and the person inside the house can know that someone is at the door without even being at the house. He will get a notification and can respond to the notification according to whether he is at the home or not. So our objectives are, as mentioned, to study various sensors and related technologies, to study IoT for efficient communication between sensors and controllers, to develop and deploy low-cost sensor-based controllers for doorbell notification, to develop a centralized supervising monitoring system for doorbell notification. So here we have mentioned the model. So as you can see in the model, first the intruder presses, first the person presses the button, then the Arduino, then the Bluetooth module on Arduino gets notified of it. It goes to the server, and through a mobile app we get the notification. So according to the notification, the owner of the house can respond whether he is at the home or not. So here, as you can see, the second model we have described as it is a Skybell. It is notified by the Wi-Fi router, goes to a cell tower, then to the mobile devices, and the person can see. The right we have mentioned, according to the person, first the intruder comes, he presses the button, it goes to the device, it goes to a device of our IoT application, then via SMS, mail or notification module, or the LED light that we have used, we can tell to. So now we are up to the demo video, and here's the demo video.
So here is our smart doorbell circuit. So this main component including breadboard and Arduino will be our smart doorbell circuit. So here we have given this button as a doorbell, and here we have a Bluetooth module which will connect wirelessly to our devices like mobile phone, and here we have the Arduino, and here we have Ethernet shield with which we can cast the data to cloud. So let us see the working of the circuit now, and here is our Arduino code for Bluetooth module. So let us upload it.
So this is our code. First we have connected the LED pin to port number 13, and here you can see we have used the Bluetooth data to give the data from Bluetooth to Arduino, which will make the light go on the various commands. Then we have certain input and digital write pins. After that, our main code starts from here. We have used if-else statements for making the LED go high and low, and we have used undo and redo commands in our Bluetooth module to turn off the LEDs, and we also used voice commands which can be seen right here.
Okay, so let us upload the code into Arduino now. And here we are uploading the code. Okay, so the code is uploaded, and let us see how our system is going to work. So here we have connected our Bluetooth module, and so now let's see how it's going to work. So if a stranger or any visitor comes and he presses this doorbell button, so okay, let's press the button. I will get the notification that someone pressed the doorbell. So now I have two choices. If I am out of home, so I can tell him that no one is there at home or someone is there. That can be done with the help of these two LEDs. So if I want to say no one is at home, I will simply give the command no one at home. So which will switch on this yellow light, and in case I have given the wrong command, so I can undo this by sending the undo command. Sorry, it was redo. So LED is turned off, and if I want to say like someone is at home, so I simply type at home. So at home, and if I again want to change the command or I want to switch off the LED, I will type undo. So with the help of these LED, a stranger can understand like if someone is there at home or no one is there at home, and his time won't be wasted. So this was through Bluetooth. This was through the terminal, and now let us see using the voice modulation. So if I want to control the LEDs using my voice, so let us see how can we do it. So here I will say if the button is pressed and I get a notification, I want to say someone is there in the home, I will simply say home. So let us see. Home. As you can see, the green light is switched on, so a visitor can understand like someone is there at the home, and he can wait for few minutes to get the door open. And if I want to say no one is at home, I will simply say sorry, and stranger can understand no one is there at home, and he will go away. So let us see. Sorry. As you can see, the LED gets switched on. So here is our voice modulation, and thank you.
The conclusion for our project is like smart doorbells allow the user to open the door to the intruders. So for the result part, as I'm supposed to give the result part, so first a visitor is supposed to press doorbell, which is connected to Arduino to Bluetooth module, which wirelessly sends all the data to a mobile device. The visitor on the door will know whether someone is there in the home or not, because once he presses the doorbell, the owner of the house will get notified. Now the owner can resend the notification to the visitor. Our project works well in all conditions and sends data to the visitor about the presence of owner in the house. And the data is transmitted fast and secured via our Bluetooth module to the owner in his or her mobile, notifying them about the person on the door. So now returning back to the conclusions, a smart doorbell is an internet connected doorbell that notifies the smartphone of the homeowner when a guest arrives to the entrance of the door. It activates when the guest presses the doorbell of the house, or alternatively owner can use voice commands or can give commands by using Bluetooth module. The smart door bell allows the homeowner using the smartphone app to watch and talk with the guest. It works fine and has huge scope in the IoT market. We have used several references from net like embedded systems and architecture. This is the book we have used. Computer components we have used, and we have used the general paper doorbell becomes the eyes and ear of smartphone, and PC Max. So that's all. Thank you.